Going on, everybody? We're back again with another video. It's been a while. Nah, fuck this. Come on, Doc. You forgot the line. We haven't even started. What's going on, everybody? How you guys doing today? Fuck my life. So we're just gonna do a quick recap of what's going on. Let's see. You can't flip the fucking... What's going on, everybody? Back again with another video. I know it's been a while since I've posted. That's because I haven't really worked on the car for almost a year now. So just a quick update for whoever is new here that doesn't really know about the car and the project that I was planning for. This is my 1986 BMW E30. I was planning to turbo it with an M50 build. But unfortunately, I realized for the power that I was going for and all that, I talked to many people, I got advice from people, and they were just telling me it's pretty much impossible to turbo it and push that much power for what I was aiming for, like 800 or 1,000 horsepower. And that's due to the chassis. It's really light and it can't handle that much horsepower. So decided to switch up the plans really quick. I think we're gonna go just for like a cruiser slash drift car. We're just gonna take it easy and hopefully put the M50 into a different vehicle, a different build, because it's just not meant to be that much horsepower on this kind of chassis. So that's what we're going with. Last time I worked on the car, I took off the whole rear end. I have the subframe right here. I did some welds from Garagistic. They have reinforcements. I have the control arms. Those are reinforced as well. As you can see, this is the M50 block. I have the M50 head over there. I rebuilt the differential. I still might use this on this car just because it's nice to have an LSD. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Today we're gonna be kind of cleaning everything up. I think I'm gonna strip the car down. I think it's gonna be a better look. I'll just repaint it and all that. In the process of pretty much taking off the whole rear end, I kind of went ahead and took off the fuel tank. And when you take off the fuel tank, there's a lot of connections and lines that are attached to that fuel tank. So I ended up cutting everything off. So we're at the point of no return at this moment. So I went ahead and got a fuel cell. I was actually working on the fuel cell yesterday. We went ahead and got some brackets. These are gonna be on the inside and these are in the rear. Those are just gonna hold it off. And then with some bolts, and then of course we're painting these. I had to cut this off just to make enough clearance for the fuel cell to get in. And yeah. So today we'll just stick around and enjoy the video. We're gonna be cleaning this up, pretty much gutting this whole interior, the truck interior, and yeah, should be a really good video, and enjoy. And for anybody that's interested of what I'm using, I'm going with this Rust-Oleum gloss white, oil based. We'll be using this vacuum to clean it up. Any rust spots, we'll use these brushes. I'm also using this electrical tape. It almost has like a cloth finish into it, so I think it'll look really nice, kind of clean up all the wires, especially if they're damaged or scratched up, just to make sure, you know, we don't have any problems in the future. Just some basic brushes. Of course, you got to use protection. And yeah, enough talking, and let's change some clothes and then get started on the car. And just like that, we're into some working clothes or painter's clothes, whatever you want to call them. But it still feels like there's something missing for some reason. Something right here. Let's see if we can fix that in a second. I don't know about you guys, but still doesn't feel... Now we're talking. Now we can get some real work done. Alright, let's get this shit done.
Formatted, touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop formatted, touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop formatted, touch it, bring it, pay it.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your f***ing cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.
You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise.
You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
I wake up every minute with the fever dreams. I push my mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns sour with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I wanna be the greatest like Rocky. You know I leave them all hating like a hobby. I'm out here making moves like a lobby. And if you ain't with me, it's your loss, see. I got my mind on the facts, I'm a python, grab what I like real fast. Took until I have everything I attack, everything that I lack, everything that I want, and I see, matter of fact.
Cause I'm my own worst enemy, only if I let it be. I can control anything if I can just think carefully. I control my destiny. Deep up in my mind I manifest it. Every morning I wake up obsessed, and everything I do the best. And deep within
good condition right now. We cleaned everything up, vacuumed it. I taped off the battery connections. I don't want any paint on the connections itself. I don't really care about this since we're wrapping it afterward. And yeah, I think we're ready. We're gonna start painting. I'll go finish off the brackets. I'll hit them with one more coat of black, and then we'll get started right here.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders, now we ain't out here moving rocks.
Alright, so as you can tell, we tried doing it with the brush. It didn't really work out, so I do have a compressor, and then we have a spray gun, so it'll be a lot easier, obviously.
Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top,
I'm always flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me. But they hate from inside, you see, hate themselves in society. So I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen. Oh, the irony to hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't never say never. And turn your mind into the truest of go-getters.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
Alright, we're finally done. As you can tell, it came out, to be honest, in my opinion, it came out a lot nicer than I thought. I put some tape right here. It's not the best, but you know, since it's positive, we got the negative on black, but it came out really clean. We mounted the fuel cell as well. Bolts right here. You can see the brackets right here, super clean, mounted. It's not going anywhere. I taped off all the wiring, so a little bit cleaner because I fucked it up with the white paint. Finished the rest of the bottom, the undercarriage. Again, super clean, way better than I thought it was gonna come out. And yeah, but I'm really happy about this, like super fucking nice job. Obviously you can get the job done with the brush if you really have to, but if you have a spray paint, I would definitely recommend getting a spray paint. And with the compressor, it just makes it really easy. I think it took me like 10-15 minutes to finish off the whole job, and then I had enough time to finish the undercarriage as well, and then tape off all the wiring. But yeah, very successful video. As always, I appreciate you guys for watching. Hopefully you'll be seeing me again very soon, and yeah, peace.